many more wagon trains to come. I want to thank everybody for showing up. And we'll hand it back to Sarah.
Steve, this is going to be the beginning of the next 75 years.
Steve and the Highway 50 Association, I'm here on behalf of State Senator Marie Alvarado Gill to tell you congratulations on maintaining this tradition for 75 years, and I hear that there is many more to come. So I thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Matson here with Gus, Paul, Floyd, and Roy. The four big drafts that pulled this big wagon down, I want to say up and down Highway 50. Beautiful, thank you. How are you doing? Did you have fun?
It's always fun. Come join us.
Next we have, who do we have here? These beautiful, beautiful horses. Julian Jane is here. Hi, George Algier, who won the award the other day. Say hi, George.
Hi.
Say more than hi, George.
Welcome to Wagon Train, Placerville bus.
All right. Hooks as they hit the cement. The shoes on these horses weigh approximately 5 pounds each. They are all hand forged and they're what, quarter-inch steel?
There's the roses. The other rose is high.
The shoes are half-inch steel. Jerusha McRoberts and her beautiful team. Hi! Woo, girlfriend! Hi, Carol! Jill's from Nevada. She came over to join our wagon train with her beautiful team. Jill started on this wagon train 35 years ago. How old are you? She was 11 when she came on this wagon train.
And she's going to do 35 more years, too.
Carol, how'd it do? Just great. It was a lovely wagon. Carol lives in Tahoe, and she heads up all the festivities in Tahoe for our kickoff on the wagon train. I want to introduce a lady. This was her bucket list to come on this wagon train. Oh, she's back here. She is 75 years old, and this is the first time for her to come on the train. I don't know where she's at. I'm looking for her. But when she comes through, I want you to give her a big shout out too. Matthew, how was it?
Long and tiring.
Hank the Tank worked very well. Hank the Tank is a Suffolk Punch draft horse. And there's only 1,000 of these horses in existence. Come on, Hank the Tank. Thank you, Matthew. You will see Matthew on Missouri Flat Road with his wagon. You will see Matthew in town in front of the bar with his wagon. He takes it everywhere. Jerry Bespick. Jerry is a movie star stuntman with horses. He creates crashes, and he stays on a horse, believe it or not. Michelle Norton, our farrier. This is her beautiful team, Ike and Mike. Ike and Mike are gorgeous. Michelle made the shoes that these horses have on their feet. Sissy, thank you. Your hair looks great. Your lipstick looks great. This horse, Colleen, look at how cute it is. And these guys are out of Shingle Springs. I knew that. Thank you for coming. There you are. My 75-year-old bucket list lady on her horse. The first you, buddy. And he's riding a horse we call Crazy Horse because it is kind of crazy, but you're doing a good job, David. He does, that's right. When he comes down here on a Saturday, this horse pulls the stagecoach. Dan Dietrich and Tuesday. How are you doing, Dan? How'd it go? You guys are almost home. Thank you.